Hey everyone, so there are some questions about the difference between the agency add-on, which literally just allows you to export recommendations, and the agency level subscription. I'm just going to show you very quickly on this demo account how the two are different. So if you go to plan and export, it will bring you to your own version of this page where you can print, send to Excel, CSV, or PDF all of the recommendations that apply to a specific business based on the information that you fill in on this page. I currently have it filled in with the three most common answers for here. The export function does not organize any of the recommendations by goal for you. You are essentially querying the Molo9 database to see every single recommendation, tactic, strategy that Molo9 currently has for the business based on these. So if you are looking to work with multiple projects with multiple companies, you can go through and change this multiple times to see the different recommendations here. You can also filter by cost based on the budget of your client, and you can filter by time based on the timeline of the project that you're working on. And then you can type in the different keywords here to be able to see everything that is recommended for that specific business. This is a single standalone feature. It is not included with any of our current subscriptions. It basically just allows you to export recommendations so that you can put them in your own client reports. This is not the same as the project planner. Now, with the project planner, you literally are getting see how I just did that in one click? And now I have the entire project populated with tasks along with explanations for the client to see on as to why each task in a phase is necessary. Okay, there is a bug that I need to address in a minute. If you have a team, you can click here to add the user from the team. You can click here to register if you want the clients to be able to access this specific project. You can click here to add their email, and it'll register them for a free account that only lets them see this project that you invite them to. Make sure you have it clicked as private and hide from search engines, so that otherwise if you do not click those, then it can appear in search engine results, and if you do not click private, it will appear in the project portal for all Molo9 community members to see. If you have any documents that you want to add to the project, you can add them here. For now, let's just click save. It's freaking out about this for some reason. I will have to fix this in the back end in a minute. In the meantime, here we go. Okay, so as you can see, this just gives you recommendations. It does not organize them for you. It is not, it is literally just an output list. It's not something for you to easily track and collaborate on with the team. It is not something for a client to track your progress on. Whereas if you go over here, you can update 60%, save, and it'll show that this is partially updated, or you can say that this is complete. And you can go all the way down to check all of these. You can add tasks, you can add documents. You can click on a task and it'll give you the blurb that was on the back end. If you want to edit any of these, you can always just click Edit Project. Go to Faces and Tasks. Click down. Click the task and change the text however you'd like. You can also set dates for the project if it has a timeline. You can create a new project. But as you can see, as you get the gist. This is really a project portal, project management portal, and this literally just lets you export different recommendations to one of these types of files. The two are not the same. They are the agency add-on the export function. This is not included with any of our subscriptions. This is a feature that was requested by some AppSumo users when Molo9 was first created. That's why we created it. It was created for those who want to put together reports quickly and they are comfortable with querying the Molo9 database. This is not recommended for people who are new to marketing, who need something like the campaign planner, which breaks things down for you based on your goal. This is not recommended for people who need something like the roadmaps where it's broken down by phases. This is really just created for those who are familiar with marketing, who are wanting to take the recommendations they see in Molo9 and export them for a specific client.